What's going on, everybody? Good afternoon. Commonly overlooked problem. If you have a Cummins ISL, ISB, ISC, PX9, a lot of these little Freightliner, bobtail, box truck combinations are going to have a crankcase filter. Crankcase filter is going to sit right on top of the engine bay, okay? Right back here, you're going to see that this little black cover, the housing, right in between here, it's going to be sandwiched. The crankcase filter, crankcase ventilation, whatever they want to call it. For this particular one, this particular model, this VIN number, this is the part number CV Charlie Victor 50628. Okay, again, commonly overlooked. A lot of guys don't replace it. You don't see it. It's kind of an out of sight, out of mind. Here is the filter itself. There you go, guys. It literally goes in one way. This is going to go facing downwards. So you are going to need to maybe lube that up with a little bit of assembly lube. So when you install this, you're going to push it down. It'll sit there, put the housing back on, and you're ready to go. I recommend writing the date and possibly the mileage on when this was installed. This way, your customer is aware of it, you're aware of it, and you're ready to go. So let me grab a marker. I'm going to go ahead and write down the mileage and the install date, which today is June 1st, 2025. So we'll do that. You can do the mileage or hours, whatever you're going to base your intervals on. Not that big of a deal, guys. So again, I'm going to put this up there. Let me just pre-lube everything. It is going to be an 8mm, if I'm not mistaken. It's going to have all those around the housing, maybe about 8 or 10 of them that you're going to have to loosen up. So let me set this up, get a rag, get everything I need, and that way we can go ahead and get this going for you guys. Alrighty, guys, let me try to get you guys a good angle here, a good shot, and hopefully this will show you guys how to do it. Hopefully you guys get a pretty good idea, pretty good picture. Yeah, I'm hoping this gives you guys a pretty good idea of what's going on. Again, you're just gonna need your 10 mil, and these are all gonna come out. So I'm hoping this is gonna show you guys or better illustrate. Now I've got a bunch of hoses. I don't wanna take those out. So let's just do what we can.
Get my hands in there, guys, and you guys can see what's going on. Should be one more back here. I think we're all done. Get this cover out.
I got one more in the middle, guys. I don't know if you can see my hand back there. It's kind of hiding, but yeah, got one more. So let's see what we got. Hopefully I can finesse my hand in there. Just go ahead and loosen them up, guys, with your fingers. Sometimes the threads get caught a little bit. But go ahead and get that out. And we're all set. There we go. So here's the cover. Alrighty, guys, hopefully you guys can see what's going on. I'm trying to give you guys the best angle. Let's see if I can illuminate here some light. Get this cover. You might need a screwdriver to pop this thing off. Hold on. There we go. Alrighty. So just to give you guys a pretty good side-by-side comparison. Hold on here, guys. Alrighty, so there's our side-by-side. Here is our new filter. Here is our old filter, okay? Look at the difference. Thing's pretty heavy. Again, I just noticed once these engines get worn out, This filter itself is going to get pretty heavy, pretty bad, pretty thick. So this is all done. We're going to trash this. Again, I did put the mileage on there and the date. So what I want to do really quick is just get a rag. You don't have to, guys, but it's up to you. Get a rag, clean this up as best you can. Hold on, there we go. Clean it up as best you can. And that's it, guys. So this truck is gonna run better, it's gonna breathe better, it's gonna do all those little goodies here. So keep that in mind. Hold on. Does that help you guys out? I hope so, guys. I'm just working off of a headlamp, and that's it. I'm working inside the shop today. We're inside, got a little bit of bay action going. So let's get this shit in here, and then to install it, once it sits down properly, you're gonna push down, and that's it. There's nothing else you need to do. Just simply push it down. The seals here, since you pre-lube them, it should just literally pop right into place. Okay, and then the last thing you're gonna need to do is get this cover. The cover only goes in one way, guys. It's got a high side and a low side. Kind of goes down at a slight angle. Let's see. Again, normally you don't have all these coolant hoses, but because this is a county application, they got something going on a little different here. So, hold on. Just pull these little bad boys up. There we go. And then just run them down with your fingers, okay? Make sure everything is good to go. I hope you can see that there. I'm gonna try to use my left hand a little bit. Same thing, you're gonna just run them all down with your fingers. And that's it. That one in there. Let's get the guys at the back. There we go. I know you can't see much, but they're there, trust me. Run them in with your fingers. And that's it. So now, make sure you're in the tighten position, and boom, tighten that shit down.
Almost done. One more in the corner, and then we are all done.
Alrighty guys, and just like that, crankcase filter is replaced. Again, probably not the best video. I do apologize, just the lighting in here is pretty bad. But you get the idea, guys. Commonly overlooked crankcase filter. Make sure you guys change that out on a regular basis. Sorry. There you go. There's an old one. Get you a pretty good idea of what's going on. So, guys, if this helps you guys out, have a great day. Again, commonly overlooked, easy to do yourself.